Hey guys, I hope you guys had a good day trading today. So it looks like we might be finally getting our temporary top here. So markets actually put in its fourth green day in a row. We have not done that since back here on July 10th. If we happen to do our fifth green day in a row, that has not been happened since back here in June. So odds are pretty solid though that we're going to see a small retrace tomorrow. What we have here though is you can see we have our blue recovery channel here. We do have a nice, really intense rising wedge formed right here, which should break down. So that support tomorrow is going to be basically right at 450.85. If we lose that, I'm going to be looking for a back test of 448.8, which held really well today. And then potentially our 8 and 20 EMA, which is going to be right in this 445 to 446 area. We are bullishly crossing back over on our EMAs for the first time since we lost them on August 10th. So far it is looking pretty solid to the upside here. I am looking for more upside longer term, but I do look for a little retest of lower support tomorrow. If we continue to push higher, our next big target is 457.9. When we look at futures here, same thing. We are moving up nicely. We could form a really nice double top right here and come lower. We have a really nice support at 45.06, and then our next major resistance is 45.40. So ideally, we could come back down under 45.06. We could come as low as 44.78, and that would be a retest of the 8 and 20 EMA, which also did bullishly cross back over, but we would still be holding in our bull channel if we even came that low too. This 45.76 area is a big support. I don't expect us to go much lower than that if we're going to continue to the upside. Looking at the Qs here, you can see we did break through the up channel diamond finally. So here, basically we're in our blue up channel here. Same thing. We are looking for a potential reversal back down here. Basically, we're kind of sitting between this 372.7 and 382.8 just supply area. There is just no real levels in here. So likely at some point, we're going to try to put a new supply in or put a new demand in, and then come back down and maybe try to take a couple of these levels out. 369 should hold. That will be the 8 and 20 EMA, which is also crossing back over bullishly. That would be a strong support bounce, and really we could go all the way back down there tomorrow and still be in our bull channel. The daily DMI is 100% oversold on SPY, Qs, and futures, so I do like at least a temporary small drop. Again, though, I'm not looking for a full-on reversal. I'm just looking for a small relief before we potentially push higher. Looking at the VIX here, you can see, so we have pretty much just continued to absolutely unwind on the VIX. The VIX is now coming back down into its major 12.9 to 13.6 demand area. You can see we broke through the black bear channel, and now we're just kind of in this extreme sell-off here. We did also break our recovery channel here. You can see that we've been in for a while, so now that's officially broken. So pretty much at this point, we're looking for some sort of bounce in this area. We could see a bounce back up to this 14.8 area if markets do get a sell-off tomorrow, but I'm still looking for the VIX to be unwinding here. I don't really see a reason for anything other than that. Pretty much for the next 2 weeks until we get CPI, I really am pretty bullish. I just don't see a reason at this point, unless data tomorrow or on Friday kind of spooks the market. I don't really see a reason for the market to be bearish anymore. I think the only thing that's really going to reset this market, and by reset I mean just flip it back to bearish, is going to be the higher CPI that's going to come in. And then the following week after that, we're going to have the FOMC meeting where, as of right now, market does not think we're going to get a rate hike, but we most likely are going to get a rate hike. So that's when we're probably going to see some volatility and likely see our next downside leg. So until then, I am more bullish. I am looking to buy the dip. So we'll just kind of see how we play out the rest of the week here. All right, guys. Hope you guys had a good day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.